In this video, we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 10. Let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Python and press enter. The official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version is visible. Python 3.13.3. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. The exe file downloaded. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here select use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. After that, click customize installation. Here are the optional features. Keep it as it is. It will install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages. IDLE is an IDE to run Python programs. Keep it as it is and click next. Advanced options, select install Python for all users. Rest keep as it is. Python will get installed in the following location. Not a problem. Click install. Setup started. Let's wait. We have successfully installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify the installation of Python. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Command prompt will open. Now type the command python space -- version and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Now let us run our first Python program. Type py and press enter. This is the Python shell. I'll print something in Python using the print method. Let's say I'll print my name. So when I'll press enter, this will print. Here we printed it. We also installed IDLE. So let us run a program. Go to start, type IDLE. Here it is. Click open. Now let us run our first program. Type the same command and let us print something else. Let's say I'm printing my channel name. I'll press enter and it will print. So what is the advantage of IDLE? You can save your program. Go to file, click save as. Go to the desktop. Here add any name to your file and it will automatically add the Python extension, that is .py. Keep it as it is. Click save and your program will save here, and here is the file. Here it is demo.py and here is the path. For a free 5 hours Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.